Alright, so this is why I love the Conrad in Manila. I told the guy making pancakes that I miss my dog. He's a corgi. And then he brought this out to me. But yeah, I miss you, Apollo. This is my third and final day at the Conrad in Manila. It is a little overcast today, but guys, I wanted to point out this lobby. It's absolutely gorgeous. At night, this all lights up. These are just like hanging crystal lights. But it has a really nice, big, open area where you can get checked in and kind of relax. It has a really nice, cool view overlooking the water. And then you got all these different rides that you go on. You got the Ferris wheel over here. It's kind of like a boat that swings back and forth. And then there's nice restaurants down here. This is kind of like the lobby area entrance where you're kind of waiting to go up to your room. They have the grand piano. And then to the left, we have our pool area. But this is the road to the Brazier on 3. This is where you're gonna have your buffets, your meals, everything like that. I have dined there every single day. It's absolutely delicious. Another little water area out here. It's kind of a nice little, touch to the hotel. Some nice architecture, everything like that. Hi. And one thing to notice about the Philippines in this hotel is they are so nice. Like they always, I think it's buhay, to like welcome or whatever. Always super friendly and inviting. I know that's part of the hospitality of the hotel change. But if you go to different areas and different countries, you're not always going to get that same hospitality as you do in the Philippines. So let's take a look at other parts of the hotel and let's get into this. All right, so on the way to the gym, I found this little cubby hole. Nice little place where you can relax and just kind of hang out, do some work. And then I've noticed they have these kind of spots like scattered throughout the building, which is kind of nice if you don't want to work in your room and you just want to be out in the environment. So I highly suggest taking advantage of that while you're at the Conrad. But let's go check out the gym like I was telling you guys about. And let's see. All right, so we're in the gym now. It has a lot. You have your free weights over there, pull downs, all the machines necessary. Nice little cardio room over here. And then all your cardio machines. And then you overlook the pool. I don't want to really walk through here and bug people, but you can see the pool there, and then you have your machine over there. I like doing my chest workout and my triceps over there. Overall, a really good gym for a hotel. And then you got your drink over here, so thank you. And then on the way out, guys, if I can get out of here, the Conrad has a spa. Now the spa is on I believe the 4th floor. I'm not gonna go up there just because it's closed right now, but I went there yesterday and let me tell you, it is amazing. They have in the room, like your very own room, they have a steam spa and a dry spa. And then they come in and they give you your massage and whatever. It is fantastic. They give you tons of water, essential oils, everything. It's fantastic, guys. So let's go check out the room now. This is the Conrad room. This is the one that is going to overlook the pool and have a view of the bay. So just keep that in mind. Now, this is the closet where you have all your robes and slippers and stuff like that. You can hang your coats if necessary. Has a little nice area where you can get ready. But this is the bathroom to the right, guys. The bathroom is fantastic. To your right side, you have the toilet. Just goes in there. And then on the left side, we got our shower. And so we got the waterfall shower above. And then we have another part here that shoots water directly at you. So if you want to clean that way, and you can tilt it in different directions. The soaps are all over there. Oh, and they also have a handheld one as well. So really functional shower, guys. They give you, all your necessities that you need. If you want, you can request for a shave kit. That's what I did. So just go ahead and do that, guys. So let's actually look at the room. By the way, yesterday I was down sick a little bit, so I wasn't able to record right when I got here. So the room has been used, so it's not as clean as it would when you show up. All right, guys, so also the safe is in that. And then you have your mini fridge, which inside it will have your drinks, the beers, water, stuff like that, Kit Kats, Hershey bar, I already ate that, Don't worry about that, guys. I got you on that. Nice decor in here. And then the bed itself is actually super comfortable. I slept like a baby. I needed it just after all the traveling. There is the TV on the wall. I think it's good size. And then there's a little desk right here, but let's take a look at this couch over there. But if you notice, we got these two little buttons here, right? So what do? Boom. Oh, I just pressed it again. There we go. Now this is a really nice feature because I like the fact that it is automatic. You don't have to do it with your hand or anything like that, which I don't actually see at a lot of other hotels in this area in the Philippines. So having this feature is kind of really nice. It kind of brings up that luxury status. So as you can see, we're overlooking like this little Peninsula Bay area. You have the Ferris wheel. The Ferris wheel lights up at night. It's really kind of cool. So if you get the left side of the hotel, you actually get a really cool view of the Ferris wheel at night lit up. It was also lightning last night, so I saw a lot of cool stuff. The sky's getting lit up, and then you can see there's the pool below, guys. And then this right here, this green area, that's nothing. That's just the roof, but that is also the roof to the main entrance where the lobby is and everything like that. And you can see down here, there's a bunch of restaurants. And another cool thing to notice, guys, is this Conrad building is actually built on top of the Mall of America, which is, I think, like the 6th biggest mall in the world. And it is phenomenal. You're gonna get lost in there, guys, but it is great. But yeah, so far, this is the room of Conrad. So if you're looking to stay at the Conrad, I think you're gonna be really happy with this. All right, this is the Bergère 3. This is the breakfast buffet. I'll go into the other foods, but I just really want to point out how cute this like opening stand is. It has Conrad Manila, and it shows these buko coconuts, and it kind of gives a brief description of what the coconuts do, what they provide, and how much they produce. 347 million metric tons of fruit are produced in Manila buffet area, breakfast buffet. This is all the baked goods. Also have some pancakes, stuff like that. Water station, and then we get into all the different types of food over here. This is more like the charcuterie style and the more Filipino traditional. And then we got the more Americanized food over here. Potatoes, bacon, omelets, sausage, more eggs, just everything you could imagine. Some pastas here. As you can see, it's a huge, robust buffet with lots of seating. This is about 8 o'clock in the morning, so you can see it's already getting pretty full. I try to typically show up at 6, but I wasn't able to wake up this morning for that. But we also have more of a yogurt and granola station, which is really nice. And then these are the juices and fruit section, which is personally my favorite. This juice today is the carrot orange ginger detox, and they switch this up every single day. But this one is absolutely delicious. This is actually my 3rd serving of this stuff, guys. So if you're looking for a nice buffet style breakfast, the Conrad really accommodates that for its users. And then here you can take a look at more of the Filipino dishes here. The pork adobo looks really outstanding. They have their garlic rice, everything that you need. But yeah, let's go on and eat, and then we'll go on to the next station. All right, so we're at the pool. It is super early, and it's rained a little bit last night, so everything's a little damp. But I wanted to get a look at the pool. It's pretty cool. It's nice, open kind of landscape on it. This is kind of like a nice little area where you can just walk. It's probably like a foot or two, 2 feet deep here. And then it comes out to this middle balcony area where you can kind of sunbathe. And then there's the deep end, and there's like a swim up bar over there, and then a deeper end where you can do your laps. Overall, it's a really nice pool, and then you kind of just get a look of the entire hotel. So if you're staying in the inside rooms, you can, look at the view of the pool all day. Plenty of room to sit down, relax. There's lifeguard on duty, and then I don't know what time the bartender gets there, but they do come in right there, as you can see. But yeah, guys, this is the Conrad pool. So I might just add another day here, guys, because it's been really relaxing and comfortable, and I haven't been able to really explore the area just because I haven't been down. But yeah, guys, thank you for joining me.
and seeing this Conrad hotel review. Much appreciated. Have a wonderful day. Take care.